Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a question that I get asked a lot. Can you upload forms to Vagaro? The answer is yes, you can, but there are a few things you need to know before you get started. In this video, I'll show you how to upload forms to Vagaro and how to use them to collect information from your clients. What is Vagaro? Before we get started, let's talk about what Vagaro is. Vagaro is a cloud-based business management software for beauty and wellness professionals. It helps you manage your appointments, clients, and finances. Why would you want to upload forms to Vagaro? There are a number of reasons why you might want to upload forms to Vagaro. For example, you might want to collect client information, such as their name, address, and phone number. Get client consent for treatments. Track client progress. Collect feedback from clients. How to upload forms to Vagaro. Now that we know why we might want to upload forms to Vagaro, let's talk about how to do it. Log in to your Vagaro account. Click on the Settings tab. Click on Forms. Click on the Add New Form button. Enter a name for your form. Choose the type of form you want to create. Add questions to your form. Save your form. Once you have created a form, you can add it to your website or booking page. You can also send it to clients via email or text message. How to use forms in Vagaro. Once you have uploaded a form to Vagaro, you can use it to collect information from your clients. Here are a few tips for using forms in Vagaro. Make sure your forms are easy to use and understand. Use clear and concise language. Use required fields for information that is essential for you to have. Use optional fields for information that is not essential for you to have. Consider using conditional logic to show or hide fields based on the answers to other questions. Thank your clients for completing your form. Additional tips. Here are a few additional tips for using forms in Vagaro. You can use Vagaro to create different types of forms, such as intake forms, consent forms, and feedback forms. You can track the number of submissions to your forms and view the data that has been collected. You can export form data to a CSV file. Uploading forms to Vagaro is a great way to collect information from your clients. It is a simple process that can be done in a few minutes. I hope this video has helped you learn how to upload forms to Vagaro and how to use them to collect information from your clients. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on how to use Vagaro.